properly backwash a pool filter. Are you curious on how to do backwashing for your brand new pool or budget conscious in servicing your pool filter? Here is an outlined detail of how to get the job done. This only takes several minutes and will get your pool in tip-top condition in no time. When to do a backwash. Normally, the setting is indicative to the pressure you had initially after servicing or cleaning was done to your filter. Have a pool professional take note of this or record it. If the pressure is now 8 to 10 lbs above the setting, it's time to clean up. Another is if the flow rate has lowered significantly. Take up the instruction manual to check as well. Valves are supposed to be open and hoses rolled out before you start to a backwash. A difference of valve position. A filter push or pull valve can be noticed as the valve can ultimately reverse the flow of water. Having the handle up allows dirty water to go out to the backwash hose. When the handle is down, the filtered water is returned back to the pool. Proper procedure. The push-pull valve, also termed slide valve, is usually to the side of a filter. This kind of valve is simple and has fewer parts. For sand filter types, filtering is done with plunger in up position, and backwashing is down. For a filter it is the opposites in position for filter and backwash mode. Water goes in and out of the filter, and this is how backwashing is done, thus the term backwash. Length of time. This process takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Water can be added to the pool prior to this and must be above the skimmer. On a filter, you add one step more, which is to mix into powder via the skimmer. Backwashing should be done around 2 to 3 times. It takes 2–1/2 minutes for the first backwash and 20 seconds to filter. On the second round, backwash for 1½ minutes and filter 24 seconds, then backwash again for a minute and place in filter position. The powder is removed this way. See per manufacturer's guide for reference. Maintenance and leaks. Valves are lubricated annually at a minimum. First, remove the plunger from the valve and apply a lubricant like Magic Lube. If you do see any leaks, it is possible that you have an overused or blown gasket. Inspect by removing the plunger from the valve to see if there are damaged or missing disc O-rings. Other settings like in a multi-port valve to take note of are: filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, closed and drain/waste, which are self-explanatory. Doing filtering to backwash, remember to shut off the pump first. Basically, filter is the main setting to have. Rinsing is done after a backwash for a clean tank. Recirculating is a backup feature if your filter breaks down and backwash sends dirty water out of the system. Closed position indicated that no water is flowing in or out, and drain is for bypassing the filtering process altogether and sends water out to lower the water pool level or vacuum out debris. Now that you are on the way to understand filtering and backwashing, you can also consult a pool professional on the proper maintenance and inspection of your filtering system. Have records of prior cleaning dates. Now is time to clean out and enjoy fully a good lap with just a few easy steps.